This is a training video on how to record a video using Screencast-O-Matic and uploading the video to YouTube. There are several websites you can use to create videos and upload them to YouTube. The one I'll be discussing today is called Screencast-O-Matic. www.screencast-o-matic.com allows you to record your voice alone, or you could record your voice with a video with the option to upload it to YouTube or somewhere else you want it. These are the steps you need to take to create and upload your video. Steps to record your video. First, you'll need to go to www.screencast-o-matic.com to the website homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you will click on the button that says Start Recording for Free. On the next page, we'll need to click on the button that says Launch Free Recorder. Once the app is downloaded, click Open to select it. When the screen is opened, it will give you options on how you want to record your video. You have options of recording just the screen, webcam, or both at the same time. When you have your screen ready, you can go ahead and click on the record button and start recording. You can pause the recording at any time if you need a minute or so to make sure you are staying on track. You can also delete the recording if you feel that you made a mistake or you just didn't like the recording. You can record your video as many times as you want until you feel the recording is sufficient. Steps to upload your video to YouTube. When your video is ready to be uploaded, click Done and select Save, Upload. This will allow you to choose where you want to upload the video. Since we're using YouTube, click on the YouTube selection. Next, you will give your video a title, description, tags, or category for your video. You can also choose the privacy option to choose public or private setting. Next, you will click Publish and launch YouTube web browser. Here you will need to go to log into your YouTube account and allow Screen-O-Matic to access your YouTube account. Your video should be uploaded to YouTube at this time. Go ahead and watch your video on YouTube to make sure your video was uploaded properly. This is how you make a video on www.screencast-o-matic.com and upload it to YouTube.